So the most common thing that I hear people say about hats is not that they dislike them, but it's more that it doesn't look good on them. Or they would say, I wish there was a hat that would fit my head, or I wish I could wear a hat like you do, and so on. And honestly, I don't think that's true. But why is it then that hats look good on some people while others just might feel a bit awkward in them? So I definitely didn't grow up wearing hats. It was something, I think I got my first hat, maybe I was 19, 18, maybe 19. And then I started traveling, and I was traveling for quite many years, and I was living out of a backpack. I usually had one hat. Obviously I couldn't have several hats. So the hat was always on my head, at least when I was going from place to place, because I didn't want to crush it in the backpack. So I got quite used to wearing hats at some point. But then after I settled down and had more room than just a backpack, I could actually get some more clothes and also some more hats. And then I was first wearing some fedoras, kind of like on and off. But then eventually, the last few years, Western hats kind of started showing up more brands started making them and also selling them. And that's how I got into Western hats. And I feel like that's a lot more me. Just over 2 years ago, I got my first Western hat, and that was like a proper cowboy hat. And I loved it. From day one, I absolutely loved it. I thought it looked great on me, which is something I don't say about everything, And it just really felt like me. But it was so massive. It was huge, right? I mean, this one, you can call this a cowboy hat. It's definitely Western. But the other one, it was, wider brim, taller crown. So it just took so much attention. And while I don't necessarily mind attention, people can look, but I don't want them to look for the wrong reason. I'm not trying to dress like a cowboy. Some people will argue that, but that's fine. But yeah, it was just really, really big. And it's a completely different situation to wear a cowboy hat versus, something small like a pork pie, for example. A lot of people think that hats don't suit them, but I don't think that's true. It's just about finding the right hat for your face, because we all have different head size and how our face is shaped, and then also for your own style. You kind of just have to try some different types of hats and also just put in the reps and get used to seeing yourself in a hat, because anything new is gonna feel a bit off at first, but that doesn't really mean that it looks bad. So why is it that some guys just pull off wearing hats? Well, I think a lot of people just get it wrong. They would say, oh, you were born to wear hats. What you don't see when someone looks good in a hat is years of wearing hats and getting used to it and making it a part of yourself. I think just with anything, you put in the reps, you get better at it. If you want to wear a hat, you just need to start wearing a hat. I really think that hats are for anyone that wants to wear a hat at least. And if you've ever said that hats are not for me, but you like the look of hats, just ask yourself this: did you ever give a hat a chance? Did you ever put one on and live with it for a few weeks just to give yourself time to get familiar with it? Because I think that is the main point. You just need to get to know it and get used to seeing yourself wearing a hat. I would love to hear if this sounds like you. Did you used to think that hats weren't for you, and then you actually found out it is, and what changed? Or if you actually still think that hats aren't for you, but you would like to wear hats. Give it a try. Just let me know, have you actually tried hats ever? As always, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.